Ever looked in the mirror and spotted a strand of gray hair, causing you to wonder, why is this happening? Well, you're not alone. Every day, countless people discover their first gray hair and begin to question what it means. Is it a sign of aging, or perhaps it's stress? Well, the truth is, it can be both. Graying hair is a natural part of life, but it's not just about growing older. It can also be a reflection of your genetics, stress levels, and lifestyle habits. You see, our hair color is determined by a pigment called melanin. As we age, our bodies produce less melanin, leading to a loss of hair color and the appearance of gray hair. But stress and other factors can also affect this process, accelerating the graying process. So it's not just about getting older, it's also about how our bodies respond to our environment and genetics. Now that we've unraveled the mystery of gray hair, let's delve into the science behind natural remedies. Our hair color is determined by a pigment called melanin, produced by cells in our hair follicles. As we age, these cells may produce less melanin, leading to graying hair. But don't lose heart. Certain vitamins and minerals can actually boost melanin production. Let's start with vitamin B12. Found in abundance in leafy greens and fish, this powerhouse nutrient helps to stimulate those melanin-producing cells. And then there's copper, a mineral that plays a vital role in melanin production. Foods like nuts, shellfish, and whole grains are rich in copper, but the goodness of nature doesn't stop there. Antioxidants found in brightly colored fruits and vegetables help combat the oxidative stress that can contribute to graying hair. They work by neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage melanin-producing cells. Now let's talk about some specific natural remedies. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, is a traditional remedy known for its high antioxidant content. Coconut oil, a versatile ingredient, helps nourish the scalp and hair follicles, promoting healthier hair. And then there are curry leaves, rich in antioxidants and amino acids, which can help restore melanin in the hair follicles. Remember, these remedies won't give you instant results, but with consistent use you might just see a difference. So, we've learned quite a bit today about gray hair and how to possibly reverse it naturally. We've delved into the causes of gray hair, understanding the crucial role melanin plays. We've underscored the importance of maintaining a nutrient-rich diet to boost melanin production, and explored the potential of natural remedies. These remedies aren't miracles, but may certainly help. The journey to reversing gray hair naturally isn't a race, it's a marathon. So, embrace the journey and remember each strand of hair tells a story.